Hello, first graders. Here we go. We're ready to do some fast math. So take out your packets and make sure you're on number 5. All right, number 1. Let's get started. Number 1 says, I'm going to read you 2 subtraction problems. For each one, circle the correct answer. So for the first one, the question is 5 minus 1. So think, what is 5 minus 1? Circle the answer. The next one says 6 minus 2. If you have 6 and you take away 2, what's your answer? Circle the number that makes the most sense. The last one says put an X through the triangles. So find the triangles, put an X through them. All right, for this one, we are going to add the dominoes. So the first one is showing us 5 on top and 6 on bottom. So our addition sentence is 5 plus 6. And then you're going to write the answer down below. So for the next one, you have to tell us what the domino is showing. Write those 2 numbers up top and then write what the answer is down below. And do the same thing for the last 2. You can push pause and finish those right now if you would like. All right, our number story says, Jenny had 6 toy trucks. Her brother, Sydney, gave her 2 more. How many trucks does Jenny have now? So think, what's the clue? Did she get more? Did she take some away? Think of your clue. If you want to try to fill out this bottom part on your own, do that now, and you can push pause. Otherwise, we are ready to do some correcting. So the first one said, what is 5 minus 1? If you said the answer was 4, you are correct. 5, take away 1, is 4. Next one said 6 minus 2. So for this one, we started with 6. We took away 2, 1, 2, and we had 4 left. 4 again. The next one, you were supposed to put an X through the triangles. Check and see if these were the triangles you found. There should have been 3 of them. All right, moving on. So we have 5 plus 6. So I always like to start with the biggest number and then count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the first answer is 11. The next one is showing us 6 on top, and then we're adding 2 more. So let's try it. 6, 7, 8. So our answer for that one is 8. Good. Next one, we have how many on top? 3. And then we're adding 5. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8 again. And the last one here shows 5 on top and then 1 more. So 5 and 1 more is 6. You got it. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. All right, check those and make sure you had those correct, and let's move on. Jenny had 6 toy trucks. Her brother, Sydney, gave her 2 more. There's our key word, more. How many trucks does Jenny have now? So remember, when we hear more, it means we are going to add. And the numbers we know are 6 and 2. So that's our information, 6 and 2. And then our addition sentence is going to be 6 plus 2 equals blank. So everybody try it on your own. What is 6 plus 2? You have 6, add 2 more, 7, 8. You got it. So we'd say Jenny, Jennie, Jenny has, what did we say? 8 trucks. All right. Nice job, first graders. Keep up that hard work. Make sure you have a complete sentence and you're writing in nice first grade handwriting with a period at the end. We'll see you next time.